Have you ever noticed something? Your life doesn't change slowly. It changes the moment you make one serious decision and refuse to go back. Most people think they need motivation, but motivation is unreliable. What you actually need is a decision so strong that it removes your escape routes. Today, imagine something different. Not a new habit, not a productivity app, not another Monday start. Just one day, one single non-negotiable day where you act like your future depends on it. Because it does. You don't lack knowledge. You don't lack time. You don't lack potential. You lack commitment that hurts. So here's the reset. Step 1, decide brutally. Not, I'll try. Not, let's see. Be specific. I wake up at 5. I study 3 hours. I delete social media. I train no matter what. Clarity commands the brain. Vague goals create vague results. Step 2, remove your escape routes. Discipline is easier when laziness becomes inconvenient. Uninstall the apps. Block the websites. Clean your room. Prepare tomorrow tonight. Design an environment where your bad habits struggle to survive. Because willpower fades, environment shapes behavior. Step 3, replace, don't remove. If you delete distraction without replacing dopamine, your brain will rebel. Scrolling becomes reading. Gaming becomes training. Watching becomes building. You don't destroy habits. You upgrade them. Step 4, build one non-negotiable day. Wake up on the first alarm. No snooze, no debate. Finish your tasks, even imperfectly. This is not about productivity. This is about identity. You are proving to yourself that you can do hard things, and that proof changes everything. After that day, your brain updates its story. I am lazy becomes I am disciplined. And once identity shifts, behavior follows. But understand this clearly. One day won't fix your life. One day resets your standard. After that, you don't start from zero anymore. You continue a streak, and streaks build confidence. Confidence builds momentum. Momentum builds a new life. So stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for perfect timing. Choose your day. Remove your escape routes. Suffer with purpose. And prove to yourself that you are stronger than your excuses. Because the life you want is on the other side of one serious decision. Make it. Today.